I've spent 2025 testing Webull intensely, juggling stocks, fractional shares, futures, and even paper trading to see if this broker just keeps pace with the curve or sets it. With promises of zero commissions, sleek tools, and faster execution, I wanted to see if it's truly the go-to for active traders or just shiny hype. Here's how it unfolded. At its core, Webull offers commission-free trading across US stocks, ETFs, and options. No account minimums, clean UX, and a noticeable boost of data and tools. It also expanded into margin, fractional shares, futures, and recurring investments, aiming to serve both newbie traders and more seasoned operators. In this review, I'll unpack its most meaningful features, real costs, user wins, where it can disappoint, and whether it lives up to the hype in 2025. Webull delivers an impressive blend of functionality and accessibility. Commission-free trades on US equities and ETFs remain a solid base, with options costing nothing except token regulatory and execution fees. The platform supports fractional share investing, powerful for building diversified positions at any account size. Futures trading arrived in 2024, priced competitively, especially for micro futures, making Webull one of the few platforms offering that. On the tools side, Webull stands apart. The trading interface is customizable across mobile, desktop, and web, with deep charting, technical indicators, and paper trading built right in. Great for practicing strategies risk-free. Recurring investments give users an easy path to dollar-cost average their favorite stocks or ETFs, and accessing extended hours or advanced order types is seamless. Webull's zero-commission offering is hard to beat. No hidden service charges for trades themselves, but there are still regulatory and exchange fees to be aware of, typically fractions of a penny per trade. Index option contracts carry a modest per-contract fee, and oversized option orders inch above that slightly. Futures have clear competitive per-contract rates, and margin rates tiers range around typical market pricing. There are no inactivity fees, while the platform may charge for wire withdrawals or moving out stock, but ACH transfers cost nothing, keeping most routine tasks low cost. What users love, traders continuously highlight Webull's elegant design that balances simplicity with power. The availability of paper trading, fractional shares, futures, and extended hours expands the platform's reach. Emerging markets and non-US product availability further boosted its appeal globally. The active Webull community fuels learning, and execution performance is noticeably fast, even under volatility, making for a responsive, near-real trading environment. Where it falls short, but it's not perfect, Webull still lacks access to mutual funds and bonds, limiting long-term or income-focused portfolios. Some users find the research offering superficial and disjointed despite robust market coverage. Educational material is present but not always polished or structured. There are also lingering regulatory questions. In recent years, Webull faced scrutiny around data privacy and ownership structure, issues you'll want to weigh if security and compliance are top of your list. Webull shines for active, mobile-first traders who value deep tools without paying to use them. It delivers enough advanced functionality like futures, options, and real-time analysis to outpace many commission-free peers. But for those focused on passive investing, bonds, mutual funds, or elevated educational support, alternatives may still serve better. Webull is a technically flexible and low-cost gateway for traders willing to build their edge, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. If this review helped, tap like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what upcoming trading feature would you like me to break down next. I'll catch you in the next video.